Hello everybody. So my name is Subhrajit, Sahoo, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. So in last video, I have discussed these questions, these first questions. Now this second questions I'm going to discuss, which is little bit, difficult, but it is important. The exam point of view, it is very important. And this questions, in this question, you have to draw the sectional view, right? And the sectional view, true shape, like this, you have to draw here. Sir, I have taken the question here. Observe the question carefully. Not so difficult actually, but if you practice 1 to 2 times, it become very easy. Observe, sir. But you people are not practicing properly. That's why I'm telling it will be difficult. The cone object is here what? Cone. Hexagonal prism, pentagonal prism, right? Pyramid, all these things most probably we have completed. Now a cone problem came. Object here is cone. Diameter is given 60. If diameter is 60, then radius become 30. Axis is given 80. Axis is given 80. Right? Rest on the ground. Ground means here horizontal plane. Ground, horizontal plane. Rest on the ground, horizontal plane. Ground meaning is here horizontal plane. Vertically, right? Vertically. That means straight. Cone shape, you know. This is the cone shape or not? Cone shape. Like this cone shape will come or not? Uh, like this. Some cone shape will come. This is a cone. So in this question, this is talking about the a cone having this following, like it is a cone having having diameter 60, axis height 80, rest on ground vertically, on HP. First part is this much. Second part is important. Observe it cut by a plane. Okay, so cut by a plane. Section plane, cutting plane, right? Inclined at 50 degree to HP. Inclined at 50 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP. Perpendicular to VP, right? So inclined at, suppose this is the plane. This is a plane inclined at 50 degree to HP, right? Cutting plane. This is cutting plane. So what is the angle here? This angle is 50 degree given, right? This angle is 50 degree. So this is the cutting plane. By the help of cutting plane, I will cut this cone. Okay. Suppose you assume this is a knife. The knife is inclined at 50 degree. I will, through that knife, I will cut the cone. So where I will cut the cone? Observe, read the next question. Right? Cut by a plane inclined at 50 degree, here 50 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP, and meets the axis 30 degree from the base. So here is the axis or not? Middle, center, axis will come. This is the base. From base, total height is 80, given in the question. Axis height is total 80. Where it will be cut by this plane? By this plane, it will cut from the base at 30 mm. So you measure by the scale or drafter 30 mm. Suppose it came here. So this plane will be, right, this plane, 1 minute. Okay, this plane will cut here. It will cut here like this, it will cut here. Okay, after cutting here, We're cutting here, right? It will cut here like this. It will cut. After cutting, what will be happen, sir? Here, just I'm explaining here. After that, I will draw the diagram. Don't worry. Here, this much portion, right? Will you remove, sir? After removing this much portion, what is the remaining part will be there? What is the remaining part will be there? You have to unfold. You have to unfold the diagram like this, right? That is nothing. Unfold, not sorry. Cut after cutting this, it is given. Draw the sectional view and true shape, not unfold. Unfold not. Sorry, unfold not required. You have to after cutting this one. So remaining portion is this one. For this remaining portions, you have to draw the sectional view and true shape here. Sir, observe how I am doing the exact diagram here. So first what I will do, I will take the reference line. Okay, I am taking the reference line here. After the reference line, the cone having given 60 mm diameter. So in compass, you take 30 mm dia, right? 30 mm dia and draw the circle here. Right? Draw the circle here. Sir, mark the center point. Mark the center point here. Hmm. Center point here. Sir, several times I told, if your object is a circular cross sections, then you need to divide first into equal number of parts. Sir, I am dividing into 8 equal number of parts. Observe, sir. I will divide into 8 equal number of parts. 2 part. Okay, 4 part. 6, 8. Right? Sir, quickly give the name. Quickly give the name. A. Let me change the color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Right. So what is the next step? Next step is, this is for which view? This is the uh, top view over. Then, sir, I will draw the front view for this figure. So to draw the front view for this figure, I have to draw the projection line first. From A point, projection line. From A point, draw the projection line. From B and H point, draw the projection line. Sir, from C and G point, same. Next, sir, from D and F point, projection line. Next from E line. Right. So this much projection line I have drawn. Right. So what is the next step? Next step is name first give. So this is my A dash. This one is my B dash, B dash, so B dash and H dash. This one is my C dash and G dash. This one is my D dash and F dash. And finally the outsider one is E dash. Over naming over. Naming also over. Now only party time. Right. I mean front view you have to draw. Top view over, sir. Naming over. Front view is pending. Pending task you have to do. Okay, observe, sir. What I will do? I will join here too. I will join here to here. Right. Slowly, I will join here to here. Then, sir, what is the height given? 80 mm or not? 80 mm given, sir. So 80 mm you take from extend this axis to 80 mm. Right, 80 mm extended. Then what is the next step? Mosquito. Next, join this all generators. This is which generator? A generator. Center name now I have not given. Center name you have to give. Oh, center name you have to give. Sir, from V and H also you join, please. Next, from C and D also join. Sir, this okay name give first. Oh, this is O or not? O. Okay, this is OG generator, OC generator, OA generator over, OH and OB generator. Sir, here one generator, here two generator. One is OB and OH. Here also two generator, but one is OC and one is OG. Here also I have to join same. Okay, join here. Next, join from E to right. Sir, what is the name here? Oh, ODS give. Oh, given here ODS. Simple. Sir, what the next step is telling? First step work I finished very clearly. Over, no doubt at all. Second step, what is telling here? It is caught by just before this diagram I start. I have drawn a rough diagram or not? In that diagram, how to cut I have also shown you, right? Observe here, sir. It is cut by a plane. It is cut by a plane, sectional plane, cutting plane, or knife. You can assume this is a knife. So knife is inclined at 50 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP, right? So meets the axis 30 mm from base. 30 mm from base. This point is very, very important. 30 mm from base. And what I will do, sir, this is my base or not? From this base, what is the total height? 80 mm is given. But in the question, clearly it is telling that the cone will be cut by the cutting plane where from the from 30 mm from the base. 30 mm from the base. Total is 8. So keep drafter here. Measure 30 mm. Here 30 mm measure 30 mm. Suppose 30 mm came here. 30 mm came here. Right? 30 mm came here. What is the next step? Next step is you have to cut it. I'm cutting from this side. Okay. No, no. How to cut? Angle I have not done. How much angle? 50 degree, right? So what I will do? First draw the horizontal line first. Why, sir? Because I will keep protector here. In the earlier cases, I was drawn the line this side and true shape in this side, but now this time I'm going to draw in this side. So no problem at all. Option you can choose this side also, not a problem at all, right? Sir, what is the next year? Observe, sir. Keep your protector here. This angle is 90 degrees. So mark how much? 50 degree. 45, 50 degree here. Okay, 50 degree. So from here to here, my plane is going to cut. Okay, my plane is going to cut here. Observe, sir. Observe. It is cut like this. It will cut like this. What is this plane, sir? Cutting plane. I told already what is the shape of the cutting plane. Here I have done a thick solid line. Thick solid line, but cutting plane shape is already several times I told. Big dash, gap, small dash. Again big dash, gap, small dash. Okay, big dash, small dash. Here no measurement is there, that's why no scale is there, that's why it is coming some curved lines, but it should be straight line. And remember, the big dash length, this big dash length should be some, every big dash length should be same, and every short dash length also should be same, and every gap should be same, right? This is the conditions for the center line. You have to draw like this, not like this. What I have done, what I have done, that is wrong only, incorrect only. But here I don't have option to draw the dotted line or center line. That's why I'm going for this option only. But while you are practicing or while you are facing the exam, right? You have to do like this only. Okay, na? Observe, sir. What is the next step here? Naming is important or not? In this particular case, I told what method to name. Sir, if my generator is A, give name one give. If the generator is B, give name 2. If the generator is C, give name 3. If the generator is 4, D, give name 4. Like this, you have to continue. Sir, observe, sir. This is which generator? First one. A dash written, A dash. That means it is A generator. This A generator. A generator. Okay. A generator. Sir, A generator means which name I will give, sir? One only or not? Sir, next observe, sir. This is B generator and this is H generator. Okay, which one? See, B generator, BOB generator. This here, one or not? And H generator. And sir, what is the name I will give, sir, here? Sir, name you give 2 and H for, I think, 8. Right, 2 and 8. So this particular point 2 and 8. 2 is front side because B is front side, 8 is back side. So 2 front side, 8 is back side. So what is the point I will give here? What is the point I will give here? A number I'll give here. So C for 3 and G for, I think, 7. Right, 7 over. Next one is observe, sir. F and D. F and D means here similarly 4 comma 6, and finally here it is not cutting the generator, it is cutting the base. Okay, it is cutting the base, so generator will not come in the diagram. So here here what is the, it is the final name will get number, so 7 will get 7. Observe, sir. Right? So what I will do here, sir, I will I will I will oh, observe up to this. Okay, fine. I will cut this one, right? I will cut this total section like this. Remaining part is there. So for the remaining part, I have to draw the sectional view here, and I have to draw the sectional view here, and I have to do, and sectional view I have to do hashing, and here I have to do the true set. This is the task is pending right now, right? Observe, sir, what I will do, how to draw the, this sectional view. Very simple, sir. Sir, one line, okay, from one line you draw the vertical lines, right? Draw the vertical lines, sir. Where it is touch, sir. See, a generator, one line, this is a generator, they touch here, they touch at this point. Sir, what is the point name you want to give? Sir, this is one point, means you give it one dash. One dash. Right? So next is 2 and 8. On which generator? OB. Okay, OB generator 2 and 8. So what you will do? Simple thing. You have to draw the projection line only. Projection line. So here 2, 2, 2. I draw the projection line. Right? It meets. See where it is meet. It is meet 2 and 8. 2 and 8, 2 for B. See, it meet at B here, and 8, 8, 8, H here. B here and H here. Right? Sir, what is the name you want to give here? This is the actually point or not? This is the one point, and this is another point. What name you want to give, sir? Same name, sir. This is called 2 dash, and this one become 8 dash. It's for 8 dash, right? Because it is 2 and 8 point. Same way, 3, 7. Observe, sir. 3 for 3, 7. Where the point will come, it is a very difficult task, because the generator, and if I'll draw the projection line from 3 and 7, this is the generator, not OC generator. If I'll draw the generator here, right? If I'll draw the generator, sorry, projection line here like this, if I'll draw, observe, it will intersect, coincide. It is coincide with which one? It is coincide with the generator itself. But in this case, this is the generator and this is the projection line. In this case, this is the generator and this is the projection line. That means here not I mean, projection line and the generators are not coincide with each other. But in this particular case, it is coincide. So, sir, let it keep to last. Okay, I will draw this one. After projection line drawing for FDE point, I will draw the G1. Observe, sir. Let me finish the easy part first. Then we'll go for the little bit tricky part. Right? So what I will do, sir, 3, 7 is pending till now. From 4 and 6, draw the line here like this, and from this point, this point is not in the generator, right? Here it is called the base, right? Sir, where is the point? Sir, point is, it is called the edge na? So here is the edge, here is the edge, right? Here is the edge, here is the edge. Sir, what is the point here you have given? 4 6, this point is 7 you give. Here not given anything, right? This point is 7. So if this point is 7, then this point becomes 7 dash, 7 dash, and this point become also 7 dash, right? So what is the other intersection points here? Observe, sir, here, which one? 4 and 6, right? 4 and 6. Which generator? 4 means a D generator. This is D generator. Okay, 4 point here, right? Next, and F, 4 and 6. 6 means F generator here, right? Sir, see how many points I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 point. I got 7 point. How? Yeah, okay. Okay, 7 point I got. But here on this line, I have to find out the point here. So how to find out? Here it is directly, I cannot find out as like this point I just found. Directly I cannot find out this point because generator, here generator and the what, the projection line will be coincide with each other. But in this case, generator is different and projection line is different. In this other case, this is the generator and this is the projection line. They are not coinciding, but in this case it will coincide. And what is the solution? Very simple, sir. Observe what I am doing here. Sir, this point is intersectional, so draw this line. Already line is there or not? You can draw right side also, no problem at all. You can draw this, extend this line at this point. You have to extend to right or left. Left already there, so I'm considering the left part. Then what is the next step, sir? Next step, what you will do from this? I've changed the color. Okay, I'll change the green color. So from this, you draw the projection line, right? For this, like this line will come, right? Okay. So what is the next step? Next step is you measure here to, oh, here, measure here to here, you measure here to here, you measure here. This one is the center, and here just I projected from this point. Just I projected the line from this point. So why you are projecting? Because in the middle line I cannot directly locate the point. So some extra steps I need to remember, follow. What is the steps? From this point you draw a line from left side also, right side also, no problem. Then from where it is intersecting the, this is slant height, extreme slant height. What you will do? Okay, from that you draw the mm, projection to meet which one? OA. OA. Next measure O to A. O to A. O to A measure and mark here. O to A measure and mark here. Now this point become my 7 dash, and this point become my, actually not mine, diagram points only, right? Okay, 3 dash, 3 dash. Okay, see, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Okay, 3 dash. Then 4 dash name not given. 4 dash. Okay, 3 7. Oh, 7 here. Why I have given? This is 1 3 8 4 6. Okay, this is you give. Mm, no need to give any point here. 7 dash mistakenly I have given. Okay, na? So erase this one. The 7 dash not triggered already. 7 dash is there or not? You can give 9 dash, no problem. 9 dash. This point is 9. Here 9 dash, 9 dash. So what is the next step? Next step is too simple. So after getting this many point, slowly you draw. Slowly you draw. What you will draw? This to this to this. Oh, sorry. It's going beyond the line. Okay, I'm taking the way. Okay. Like this, a circle will come. Here, sir, after the circle you have done, this is called sectional view. But here one more important work is pending. What is that? Hashing line. So you have to do the hashing line. I told you 45-degree drafter you set. Okay, like this line. For this circle, just now what we have produced or what we have done, there you have to draw the hashing line. Right? Observe, sir. 45-degree angle is set in drafter. Insert in drafter, then draw the hashing line. Already told what is the condition. The gap should not be more than 2. Okay, 45-degree angle should be maintained. All these are restrictions, still strict rules for this, right? Hashing line 45-degree you have to do. Sir, what is the next step? Next step is a true shape. Sectional view is your true shape. Sir, very simple to draw the true shape. Observe, sir. Within 5 minutes we can finish. Sir, draw a reference, secondary reference line here. This is my primary, red color is my primary reference line, and this one is my secondary reference line. You draw. Sir, after drawing this, what you will do? What you will do? Project all this point 1, right? 1 here to here. Perpendicular line. From 1 point perpendicular line, right? From 3 point perpendicular line, 3 and 8 point is there. Then from 2 and 8 point previously, now 3 and 7 point is there. Diagram become small, and that's why point name is properly not visible. Okay, so this is one line, and finally this one. Okay, finally this one. So observe, sir, from each and every point, 1.3283746 and I draw the projection line, vertical projection. So what is the next step? So let me shift this diagram little bit below. Let me shift this diagram little bit below. Come. Okay, right. Little bit below I set this much. I mean, this much reference line is not required here. So I'm deleting this one. Sir, what is the next step? Observe, sir. Sir, what is the name here? This is 1. So you give here 1. This is 2 8. Sir, you give here 2 8. This one is 3 7. 3 comma 7. This one is 4 6, right? 4 comma 6. Okay, 4 comma 6. And this one is you give what will give here, give 9. The flag right now we give 9. We'll see. What is the next step, sir? Next step is only measure, sir. This, where is 1 dash point? So this is my 1 dash point. So this main reference line, primary reference, red color line. Now we are going to measure from this red color line to 1 dash, from this red color line to 2 dash, from this red color line to 3 dash, from the red color line to 4 dash, from this red color line to 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, like this we are going to measure. And after measuring this, we will mark here. So let me extend all these lines once again, right? Let me extend all this line here. Observe, sir. I'm extending this line again here over this line again. Okay, right. This line, okay. Okay, this line, oh, this line, right? Extended this line. Sir, measure from red color line to 1 dash. How much distance it will be? Mark from this blue color line to that distance here. Hmm, this distance here, right? Measure once again. I will tell, sir. From red color line, this is my XY line or not? XY reference line. From this XY reference line, okay, I'm giving the name here. X, and this one is Y, right? Y, and you give here X dash. This one is secondary reference line, X dash, and this one is Y dash. This problem is a section plane, and this one true shapes, a little bit critical, little bit, but if you practice 3 to 4 times, it will come easily. It will become easy, very easy. Observe. And measures are here to here, where to here, different XY to 1 dash measure, and mark here. This is 1 dash. Next, XY to 8 dash measure. 8 dash. XY, X dash to 8 dash I measure. Sir, I marked here. Right? So this 1 dash point, take it little bit more distance, because see, here to here, long distance it is looking or not? It seems to be long distance, so I'm taking here. And this 8 I'm taking here. Next, two is there or not? Two. Measure these two distance and mark here. It come here, right? Next, measure this to 7 and this to 3. Mark here. So this is 7, 7, and this is 3. Next, sir, from this reference line, here is 4, 4 dash and 6 dash. Naming is not given or what? 4 dash, 6 dash. This is a 4 dash. 4 dash. This is actually 6 dash. Naming forget, I think. This is 6 dash. 6 dash. And this one is 4 dash. 4 dash. So measure here. Here to 4 dash. 4 dash and 6 dash, right? So 4 dash point, let me give it here 4 dash. Proper measurement you need to follow, otherwise the diagram will come wrong, right? Here I'm no dimension I'm taking, so little bit some level issue of the diagram, maybe not loose seems proper diagrams, but you need to follow these steps. What step I'm doing in again, same thing you have to follow, right? So what is the next step? From this point to, you have to, right, last one, this one, and this one, F, this one, this point to this point measure, right? This point you measure, right? And this point you measure and mark here. So I measure, sir, here, this point, and here. So what is the next step? Simply Simply you have to see. No, you have to join, not see. You have to join. Okay, sir, I am joining observe corrector now. This one also not here. What is it? Dot? Okay, observe, sir. I'm joining here to here to here to here to like this. Free hand. You have to draw. Okay, this is the true shape of the object, right? This one is the true shape of the object. I hope this concept is clear to all of you. At least 2 times you watch this video because little bit tricky is there. Okay, in the next class I will solve one more video. Till that time, okay, I'm concluding here. Till that time, you take care and bye bye.